Alright, time has come. We are going to be lowering the body onto the frame in this video, and it's not final finished product. We are just moving it from one garage to another. I want to show you how it's going to fit. You already know the front was done before, it already fitted good, but now we are going to be sliding it down and see how good is it going to fit between the wheel well and a new shock mount, and then we're going to see how much we're going to have to eliminate the quarter panel because it is going to be a wider track car now. There it is from the back. Pretty good. So now we're going to go slowly down with those. I'm going to put on a time lapse, and then once it gets down closer, I'm going to show you a few things around. It took a while, but she is down. This is not her ride height. Her ride height will be about 8.5 or 9 inches off the ground. Now it's a little bit higher because the car is empty. To get that in perspective, it's literally going to be the same height as the stock Corolla, so which is not bad. Because if I was to go any higher, I have to remodify the hood. I have to modify all the steering linkages. I would have to cut out like into the trunk, and just a lot more work. But right now, where we sit, she looks good. And here we go. Like this is pretty much what we're gonna have to do. This wheel sticks out about, let's say, good 3 inches. So we're definitely gonna have to wide body this car up, but we'll wide body it so where it doesn't look like it was wide bodied. So it's gonna be a fun little project. The reason why we got it off now, we're gonna move it to my garage so we can actually start working on to more detail and engine, trans, and all the other good stuff, and then these bad boys. All right, this is how far she sticks out. Not much space between the rear quarter panel and the axle, but we got a solution for that just to get it moving. We got 2 donuts, so we cut it in half. It was like this, and we're gonna flip it like this, so that way she fits in just for transportation purposes. So she'll sit like that, the wheel will be in there, and we'll be able to move it around. I gotta finish the other one, and I'll build these, and we'll see how she looks. I'm not winning an award, but the wheel and tire combo is on. Yeah. And what's crazy, if you look on the bottom, it's pretty straight. Yeah, this will get the car moving. Unfortunately, can't cut this one because it is aluminum, so gotta find a different spare. Or maybe I could just, what I was thinking, just chop it here and then twist it and bolt it on. We'll see. Alright, we have her on a trailer. Custom made wheel. So it fits underneath. Custom welded wheel. actually looks good.